Okay.
Yeah, but my car's right over here. Just 1 minute. Let me stop over here and get me a hit real quick, okay?
What?
Hey, there's something legal?
Yeah.
What's that?
No smokers.
No smokers, no, no smokers.
Give it up!
No smokers, we don't want no smokers.
I'm not Martin Luther King, but I had a dream. So sit back and relax while I set the scene. It was a fiery day in hell like you'd imagine it is. And the devil was up to his daily biz, thinking of new ways to start some hell and brand new ways to tilt the scale. He said cancer is okay, but it's much too slow. And it seemed to like the thing that they call blow. So I potent the dose, and then I'll toast. Wanna take the whole world from coast to coast. So he broke out his beaker and a bag of cocaine, and he started to cook over one of his flames. He introduced it to the rich, and many did fall. So then he cheapened the price so it's affordable to all. And the devil kept the whole world in stock, and death came behind to gather the flock, singing crack, 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 crack. Slavery's back, it's tearing down lives, and that's a known fact. They're selling quick death, and death is sure. So don't let cocaine be your fatal cure.